So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your copy and paste is not working on your iPhone. Now, this is a very random thing. The first thing I'd recommend doing though is making sure that you properly copy that text. So what I'd recommend doing is going through and try recopying the text that you tried copying first of all. So hover over the text, select your text, and make sure you're clicking on copy. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the next spot wherever it is. You want to tap on it and you want to click paste. Sometimes by doing that, that might be the way to go and fix it. So just go through and make sure you copied it and pasted it correctly. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you're going to want to try doing here is to go through and try restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would hold to restart your phone. You can see the volume up button and the side button. Slide the power down your phone, give it a few moments, power it back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Like I said, for a lot of people, things like that might just end up doing it for you, and that might be all you're going to have to do in this particular situation. So try doing that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it for you. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to try updating your iPhone. So make your way over into your settings application right here. You want to scroll down until you see your general settings, which is right here. Then you want to click on software update, which is right here. And all you're going to want to do is see if there's an update available. If there is, all you're going to have to do is basically update your phone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. And if that still doesn't end up doing it, you might have to reset your keyboard dictionary. So try going through, making your way back into your settings. Click on General. Scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. You want to tap on Reset, and there's going to be a Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Now this might delete some things off your keyboard, so keep that in mind. But you can do that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it almost as like a real last resort. So in terms of that, that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I got you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.